to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is out and she's speaking about the fact that Erica, the landlord Erica, allegedly called her boss and spoke to them about Marcia. And Marcia is speaking, about this. She's saying that basically landlord Erica had gone too far with this and is trying to create problems for her. So guys, you have to go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, and happiness and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, supporters, friends, subscribers, and followers, thank you so much for following. And guys, we are taking social media too seriously now. We have to be very, very, very careful. And also, we need to be, no matter what we go through, or if we do have issues with someone on social media, we are not in their presence physically or not seeing them. We do not need to go out and, try to have maybe their jobs or other things taken away from them. We have to look at things also that we wouldn't want our jobs to be taken away from us. And so we have to look on both sides, not saying that, people don't go after people and people answer because that's how we are made. We're made to answer when someone, bother us or vice versa. But in terms of social media, we have to sit and think about the consequences and try not to get people's jobs and, whatever they're doing to make their little dollar involved. We can do as much as we can on social media, but when it comes to people's money and pulling from their pocket, we have to be mindful because sometimes those things do go around and we end up in the same position as what we have other people go through. So just be mindful about that and let us all live and love each other. Learn to love, man. And smile sometime, man. Love each other. And also create a place not only for entertainment. We have to see this as not just entertainment, but to encourage others and give love as we live in a world that is filled with hate. So people just do honor dinner, even though we like the entertainment at times, but when things have gone too far, we need to cut it there. Sometimes some things are too far gone, and we have to cut that out and, try to be our brother's keepers as well, even when we don't speak to them. So, guys, remember, live good, walk good, and make people keep them jobs. Alrighty, have a great one.
You people do out here on social media, you will not get away with it. I know that I'm very special. Let me make it clear. I know that I'm a very blessed girl, and I know that I'm very special, and God is always with me. Always with me. And it doesn't matter what you guys do. God will always, when God opened doors for me, nobody will close it. And when he closed the door for me, nobody will open it. I'm just letting you guys know. I have been on my own from a long time. And since I've been on my own, I have been working, I have helped many Jamaicans who never had papers. I have helped lots of Jamaican, over 10 on my finger, that come to live with me in my place, provide for them, get job for them until. And I have been giving back to Jamaica with charities. So even though I left Jamaica from an early age, me always I give back. People, I want to let you know that Erica, the landlord, as I was telling you guys before I left off, get in touch with the people and call the people and tell them, say, I said that they are mobster and they are coming to kill her. So I'm just showing you guys how Erica left all the way. And what I'm saying to you, it is the God Almighty truth. Erica the landlord, let me tell you something. You are a wicked woman. And you're very jealous and bad mind of me. I don't know who is paying you or any demons who are on you, but I know the demon that is in you. I don't like me. Me, I tell you now what Erica the landlord did. Call the people them number and tell the people them say, me say, them are mafia and them and me. We make them come kill her. And how me in here showing them whole house and the whole certificate and everything. Erica the landlord do it. The Jamaica number show up from Jamaica. Call the people them. Erica the landlord, you're very wicked. You have been using my contents for several years now on a daily basis. And me never strike you. And you come up here and take this thing so far. And I, Marcia Campbell, never come on the social media ever and tell you that this family, all I said was, these people are very prominent people. Stop messing and calling their name on social media. You understand? That's all I said. Never once that I said that these people are mobster. You is the one, because you saw that their name is an Italian name, you come up with that, or the people them on your social media. You are very wicked. What do you think you're going to get out of this? What do you think? What do you think? You think now that you get me fired from a job now, you are going to, I am going to suffer and beg for bread? Huh? When you and your people make this false accusation against me, what do you think? Do you really believe in a no form of way that you are going to get away with this, Erica landlord? Look how far you gone now for money. You hate me so much. I have never strike you. I have never disrupt. From me come on social media and everybody is bashing me. I have never strike a soul for using my contents. Erica, you will never get away with it. You will never get away with this, I'm telling you. God is going to punish you. You don't worth. Me now waste no money for carry a court. And me now send nobody for you. Me tell you say God is going to fix you. Do you know how much people that I have helped with my little home care money? Do you know how many people I have helped in Corona? Do you know how many times I have been to Jamaica and keep charity for kids, them no matter how much? Do you know how many times I have delivered things to infirmities and hospital and cook for the homeless? I'm cooking for the homeless way before you. I am donating to Jamaica way before you with my own homeless, with my own home care money. And you have the nerve using my contents every single day to make money on YouTube and Facebook. And you have the nerve to get in touch. Google people. Google. You gone out here where people hate me so much and jealous of me that you went and Google up people. Nobody don't give you no information. You went and Google people and call people and tell them, say, me say, them a mobster and me a send them come shoot to kill you. You wicked, you wicked, you wicked, you wicked. You're more dangerous than over the fence and the next boy. Me know the boy do a whole heap of things for contents. But me no think say him would have ever go so far. Fi go call people. Me know him supporters them. Me know that. Me know say over the fence we do him thing and chat and go on, and me know 300 will go on with him something them, but me not think say you wicked bad. Me know him people them will call. Me know him will give out the information and make him people them call, but me not think him take up the phone and call and wicked like you. You're dangerous. You're dangerous. Me nah lie. And this is the living truth, people. This ain't no joke what me telling her right now. She did call them and tell them that. And tell them, send me a show the house and everything. I have never shown this house. I have never shown this house. Anybody see this house where I am, and you Google it. I have never shown this house. The only place I come and show is I'm sitting in the kitchen or I'm sitting in the living room or in my bedroom or in the bedroom that them give to me. And the camera exposed and me put the camera down and it show a little certificate on the wall and you go and screenshot it and put it out. You are the one that's in the wrong. You see, if it was me like these people, I sue you. I sue you on Ashanti 360. If it was me like them, tomorrow when they come to give me my last check, I will encourage them to sue you. Does anybody have the video of does anybody have the video when 300 come and exposing things and talking about the people them come here, them delete it? Did anybody catch it? Let me give it to them because these people are nobody to ramp with. They are prominent people and them know everybody. That's all I said. Is there anybody that him delete the one where him say Kaka I bring man to the house and then we're talking about for 4 hours to people? Anybody have anything so me can show to these people when them come on social media and call out them name? Because these people are nobody to play with. I'm telling you. You are an evil person. And that is the reason why Jamaica will never be better when it comes to poor people. You are very bad mind and jealous of me, lady. And you have a house and I don't have any. According to you, I'm homeless. I don't have a house. I'm homeless according to you. And you have a 6-bedroom house in Jamaica. And you depend on me to slander me. Don't worry yourself, share whatever share see you. Don't worry yourself. Now me know that you are playing some serious games with my life. The game is on. The game is on. You are a wicked woman. Go find a job. YouTube is not a job. It is not a job. You're not even paying taxes in America and you're earning from America and you have the nerve to try to stick bread out of somebody's mouth. You are a piece of trash. You are nobody. You are a prostitute, an old-time prostitute. You're depending on my name. Without my name and other people's name, you don't make no money. I never strike you. You have been on me for months now, and I've never strike you. You are a wicked woman. What do you think? Do you know me? Who are you talking to? I don't have no criminal records. I'm not a liar. I do nursing for 30 years. I have never dropped a soul. I have never violated the New York City State Board yet. Everybody sees me and know that me's a prominent person when it comes to certain things. Yes, we might have show me little client them and talk to them, but I treat everybody just like how I treat my own family. You are a bitch and you are jealous of me. You are jealous and envious of me. You are a wicked, 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 wicked woman. You are very wicked. Hold on. Yeah. The people them send me the phone number 890-2613 with Erica picture up on it and ask me if I know her. I told them yes, I do. Erica call the people them and tell them say, Me tell them say she's a monster, them a gangster, and me I send them come kill her. I know me I expose them house and everything. You gone far. You gone far. Me not tell no lie. You gone far, landlord. You gone far. You gone far. Me just want to come and tell the whole world what she did. You gone far. You gone far. Yeah. You gone far. Me not lie. Never expect you to do it. Never expect that you'd call people. And now me know say really you's a mad woman and you're jealous of me. How you gonna jealous of me and me don't have anything? Remember, I'm homeless. Me live in the shelter. I don't have a house. I'm stagnant. Me don't have nothing. So how is it that you have a whole 6-bedroom house and you's a millionaire and you want to call and tell lies on me? How is that? Eh? How is that? Look how far you gone with your supporters them. Look how far you gone. If you go tell the family, them they breed or something there. I make me lose my job. Because of the harassment that is coming in. And they want to protect them people. How is that your box bread out of my mouth? You think say you'll get away with it? Huh? You believe say you get away with it? Up until when 2029 come, I make me still have you up. Don't say let's sleep in dogs' lies. You not get away with this. I'm not doing nothing to her. Me I leave everything to God. Me Marcia Campbell, me not take her got no court. Me not send nobody to her. I'm not doing nothing to her. Mom, I go down for my knee city for her. We're dealing with a devil right here. So me want all my prayer warrior them to come down upon her. Me want God to dumb her and cripple her. Me want when she got a doctor tell me say doctor tell her say her whole her body full of lesions. And she have 6 months to live. And that me I pray for. Since that she's be so wickedness to me not have nothing. Me want Satan to stand upon her right hand. Yeah. That is it. The woman when them send the picture come show me. I said, Marcia, do you know this lady? Me said, yes, I do. She tell the people them all kind of thing. Why you gonna tell the people them say the people them a mobster and me a send them to go kill her? How dare you? Why you so lie, lady? What you do that for? Which part you hear me come? Me want to know which one of supporters them ever hear me tell you that. You tell me. Where in my video have I told you that these people are mobster and them coming to kill you? Are you over there saying those things? Because you see them their last name and start come up with your conspiracy. Eh? Eh? You tell me. You tell me now. You think you get away with this? Me not have nothing more to say to you after this. I don't have nothing more to say to you. Me not afraid of you. That's number one. Me not afraid of you. But me not have nothing for address you after this what you do. A long time you walk out do these things to people. A long time you call up immigration for other people on social media. So I hope you bloggers out there know who you're dealing with when it comes to conspiracy and come to lying. I hope you know. So the same thing she do to me and the same thing she do to you too. You understand? I hope you know that. And I like say in a high school, you know. It's not like say in a high school now and you're dealing with a young people, them and young people that tell lie. This is a grown ass woman coming up with all kind of conspiracy.